How to factory reset Samsung phone to default. To reset your Samsung Galaxy device to default, which means to the time like you purchased, after you reset it, all the data is going to be erased. So just in case you want, you can back up your data by tapping on your Samsung profile from your settings, then going to Samsung Cloud. Then under Samsung Cloud, you can choose what you want to back up, tap on backup data, and you'll be able to back up all the data that you select by tapping on backup now. After you backup, now you are sure that you want to reset it, open the settings app again, then this time you want to scroll down to general management. Again scroll down to the bottom and go to the option called reset. Then here you can see factory data reset. This is the option that is going to erase everything on your phone, including photos, contacts, videos, files, apps or accounts. Tap on it. Here you can also see a confirmation. So once you tap on reset, your device is going to take a couple of minutes to reset everything. So make sure that you have got plenty of charge and then only reset it. After you reset it, if you want to, of course, restore your data which you backed up earlier, log into your Samsung account, go there and restore your data. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.